How's it going? Are y'all putting fish in, or what are y'all doing?
We're just filling it up. We don't have any fish. There's fish right now. There's a fish called tank though.
Okay, because I noticed I'll be watching on YouTube, so I'm making a YouTube video now, and they always be putting the fish in the water like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a fish transporter right now. We're just doing a test run.
Oh, okay.
We haven't used it this season, so we're just making sure everything works.
Oh, okay. Man, the water's high.
Yeah.
Yeah, I came out. I remember one time it was had the whole parking lot full.
So you have this on film. I'm Sean, U.S. Bureau of Reclamation.
Well, thank you. Good to meet y'all. I come out here fishing and.
Well, right now, striped bass is kicking.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to come out here then. I just drove out here today to see how high the water is. I'm from Merced.
Okay.
I'm a retired correctional officer, so I don't have nothing to do. Yep,
Nice.
just chilling. It's good to work hard and be able to play later, you know. So.
This is part of the Central Valley San Joaquin Restoration Area Steelhead Monitoring Program.
Oh, okay.
If steelhead get above the confluence with the Merced, we're supposed to monitor for them.
Is there steelhead in here?
We haven't caught one.
Right, but it's supposed to. There might be.
In theory, there could be. They could be attracted by high flow.
Right. I know I've seen a lot of big carp come out of here. Big
There
carp?
are some monster carp in here.
Yes.
And we just shocked up. We also do electrofishing. And
Okay.
We shocked up probably 800 millimeter striper
Wow.
the other day.
Wow.
Stripers are making their
So
run.
when you shock fish, are they done? Are they just
No.
stun? It just stun them?
It stuns them. We capture them as fast as we can, so they're not in the electricity that long.
Right.
And we don't let them touch the anode or the cathode. We process the fish, and by that I mean we measure it, release.
Wow. Nice. Nice.
Sir, it was nice to meet
Isaac. My name's Isaac.
you. Isaac, Sean.
Sean.
And this is Clarence.
Nice meeting y'all. I'm glad y'all are very friendly people. It's good to see you. Good to see where our tax dollars going to work, huh?